Hello there YouTube, since last time we saw you, we have created this circuit that protects our battery, and you can see more details about that on our blog. And now we're gonna show you a quick demo about the circuit, and hope you'll enjoy it. Yes, we are gathered here today to show you our new circuitry. It's a power and battery guard, and what it does is it ensures that the battery doesn't go below a certain voltage, because we're using LiPo batteries, and LiPo batteries you should not drain them fully, because then, well, you destroy them. So what this circuit does is it connects the Arduino to a relay, and when the voltage goes below a certain point, it will shut down the power to all the circuits. And we have it hooked up now to a camera feed that's displayed on the television over there, and also a couple of LEDs. And we can see now that if we turn the voltage down a little bit, it's now about 7 volts, but if you go down to about 6 volts, everything turns off. And if we now adjust the voltage back up to a normal 7.4 volts, we can start the circuit again with what's going to be a power button over here. And it triggers everything back alive again. And we can also use this circuit to gently power it down by holding the power button for a second. The circuit will now power off. So this is, you're probably familiar with this, it's the Arduino board, and this over here is our custom power distribution circuit that has a couple of transistors that allows us to power off units individually as we now no longer need them. And this here is our newest addition, which is the board that contains the relay to safeguard the battery.
Okay, so as I told you in the last video, we ordered some new parts and they finally arrived yesterday. So I went and picked them up, and we got some new motors. These are quite much bigger than the old ones. As you can see, it's it's twice the size or more, and it's got almost 10 times the power of the old one. These small ones can drive from 100 to 200 grams, like a GoPro size camera, and these new ones, they can drive up to from 800 to 1900 grams, so about DSLR. We also received the transmitter and receiver. These goes on 2.4 gigahertz, and on this receiver you got 6 channels. We also received the FPV camera that can transmit the things the camera sees over a long distance. Later on we're going to construct the bill of material so you can see all the parts we used for the rig, and we're going to put that on our blog. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next week.